First and foremost thing, what is a differential equation? First of all, it is an equation. Second, it contains differential coefficients. Now, what do you mean by differential coefficients? dy by dx, d square y by dx square, or d2y by dx2, d3y by dx3, like this terms are present. In our 12th standard syllabus, we are going to talk about only two variables. But actually, differential equation can have more than two variables. So since we are sticking to our syllabus, I will say a differential equation will contain an independent variable which is x, a dependent variable y. So what is a differential equation? The equation containing these terms and which forms an equation is called a differential equation. Look at this. D square y by dx square plus x dy by dx plus y equal to 0. This is a differential equation. Is it clear to you? You can also have some powers, like you have a power cube here, you can have a power square here, still it's a differential equation. And what we are going to find in this, we are going to find the solution of the equation. What do you mean by solution of the equation? What is the function y which will satisfy this equation is called the solution. I'll discuss about the solution later. First, I'll discuss about order and degree of an equation. Usually they'll ask you a MCQ on order and degree. Let's have a look at this. Order is used in the number of times the derivative is done. We say, if I write like this, we say first order derivative. If I write like this, we call it as second order derivative. If you write like this, we call it as third order derivative. So the order word is, we are talking about how many times y is getting differentiated. That is called order. Degree, when you talk, what is degree of this equation? What is the degree of this equation? Degree is the power, the highest power. So degree stands for the power and order stands for how many times the derivative is done. So can you make a guess? What is the order and what is the degree of this equation? What is the highest order? How many times y is differentiated?
Second order.
The second order. Now what is the degree?
3.
3. Why degree is 3? The power of the highest order derivative is the degree. But one problem, small problem I'm going to have. I'll just show you a problem. Then we will see what to do in that case. Same question, I am going to write it in this manner. D square by dx square, the whole cube, is equal to square root of dy by dx plus y. Can I say still my degree is 3? Can I say this equation is degree 3? Now, if I want to remove the square root, I'll square it. And now the power became 6. Now, which is correct? When I wrote previously, it was like this. That time you said degree is 3. Now, when I squared it, the power is 6. So now I'll say degree is 6. Out of the two, which is correct? So whenever I'm going to define degree of a differential equation, there should not be any radical power. Radical means fractions. No radical power should be present in the equation and no negative power should be present in the equation. This two has to be removed. After removing only, you will have to say what is the degree and order. Order is not a problem. Order will be same in any case. degree there will be. Is that clear to you? All of you
Yes.
understood that? So can you please write down differential equation definition? That is I'm defining for 12th standard. An equation containing differential coefficients, an equation containing differential coefficients, an independent variable. Okay, write like this. Sorry. An equation containing an independent variable x, dependent variable y, and their differential coefficients. An equation containing an independent variable x, dependent variable y, and their differential coefficient is called a differential equation. So what does that mean? The equation should contain these terms. Then it is called a differential equation. Order of a differential equation. It is the order of the highest derivative present in the equation. It is the order of the highest derivative present in the equation. Degree. It is the power or index, whatever you use, of the highest order derivative present in the equation when the equation is free from radical and negative powers. And the equation is free from radical and negative powers. Now we'll calculate order and degree of the differential equation. This is a very important question. Don't think it is not of much importance. Are you ready? First question. So determine the order and degree of each of the following of the differential equation. Each of the following differential equation. First one, d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx plus y equal to 0 or equal to something like this does not matter. We have to only look at this much. Equal to a function, you can bring it to one side, that's it. Tell me what is the order? What is the order? 2. What the degree?
1.
1. Second question. Cube root of 1 plus dy by dx the whole square is equal to d square y by dx square. So tell me, can I say degree is 2 and order is 2 and degree is 1?
No.
No. Why you cannot say so?
Radical.
There is a power root of cube root is there. So I need to remove this cube root. So how to remove the cube root? Cube both the side. So 1 plus dy by dx the whole square is d square y by dx square the whole cube. Now tell me what is the order? How many times y is differentiated in the equation?
2 times.
2 times. What is the degree?
3.
3. See, order is 2 and degree is 3. Question number 3. dy by dx is equal to 2 sin x plus 3 upon dy by dx. Is it order 1 and degree 1?
No.
No. Why?
Negative power.
Yeah, we have a negative power in denominator. So what should I do? Cross multiply. So dy by dx the whole square is 2 sin x plus 3. So what is the order here?
1.
1. And what is the degree here? What is the power of first highest order? D by 2. Finish writing that. Can I go to the next?
Yes. Yes, sir.
d2y by dx2 plus dy by dx plus x is equal to root of 1 plus d square by dx square. Can you do it yourself?
Yes, sir.
So what you did here?
Square.
Squared it. After squaring it is not necessary to expand it. Just only you have to ask what is the highest power when you expand. Now you will notice that this will have power 2 and this will have power 1. So you should always take the greatest power. So greatest power is 2, hence the degree will be 2 and order will be 2. Is it clear to you? So
Yes.
order is 2 because d square y by dx square. Degree also will be 2 because the higher, there are two d square y by dx square 2 times. One has the power 2, another has power 1, the greater should be taken. All right. Then comes this question. Okay. Do you know what this notation means?
Third
Derivative.
derivative.
Yes.
Third derivative.
This means d cube y by dx cube. So that I think you will be able to third order derivative. So I think that is not a problem. Now comes to this question. d2y by dx2 the whole cube plus cos of dy by dx equal to 0. That means the angle of cos is dy by dx. This has got order 2 because the derivative is done 2 times, but degree is not defined. Why degree is not defined is because of this cos of dy by dx. You cannot express it as a polynomial, therefore its degree cannot be defined. Have you understood that?
Yes,
Here,
sir.
cos of dy by dx cannot be expressed as a polynomial. If it can be expressed as a polynomial, then only we can define the degree. Is it all of you understood that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now last one more question and I'll stop with that. D square y by dx square raised to 1 by 2. dy by dx raised to 1 by 3 is equal to 20. Write your answer.
3.
So what should I do? To remove this radical power, what is the least value with which I should multiply both sides?
6
to 6.
6 power.
Least power. I should take raised to 6. So I'll get d square y by dx square. 1 by 2 into 6 will give me 3. And dy by dx to the power 2 is 20 raised to 6. So which is the highest derivative here? The second order. So order is 2. What is the power of the highest derivative? 3. So degree is 3. I hope you understood all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next question. The next part. Solution of a differential equation. I am going to write a differential equation. You have to say, is this a solution of the equation? Is this a solution of this equation? So this will become a solution of the equation if it satisfies the equation. So what I'll do, I'll calculate what is second derivative here. First derivative, what is the derivative of sine 4x?
4 cos 4
Cos 4x into derivative of 4x. So as you said, 4 cos 4x. Now I need to find the value of this. So I have to find one more derivative. Derivative of 4 cos 4x. Now this again 4 into minus sine 4x into 4 again. I'm directly writing it. That is minus 16 sine 4x. Now tell me, if I replace here by minus 16 sine 4x and I replace y by sine 4x, am I getting right hand side?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
This is satisfying this equation. Therefore, this is a solution of the equation. Did you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Now, how do you get the solution? This is going to be the next part. Dy by dx is equal to x. If I make y as a subject and express it as y as a function of x, then that is a solution. So if I want to remove this dy by dx and get y, what should I do? What operation should I do?
Take dx to right hand side and then integrate.
Actually integrate. When you integrate, there will be a constant. So this will be x square by 2 plus c. This is known as the general solution. Why it is called general solution? This was my differential equation. Why do you call this a general solution? Tell me, is this a solution?
Yes.
Is this a solution? Is this a solution? Yes, all of them will be a solution. Whatever the c's value does not matter. Any constant you put, still they are the solutions of this equation. Hence, they are called particular solutions. And this is called the general solution. So whenever I find the solution of this equation, the equation will contain an x square by 2 plus some constant. And the sum constant I am denoting by c. In differential equation, we call these constants as arbitrary constants. So what do you mean by arbitrary constant? A differential equation is solved by integration. When you integrate, whatever the constants that you're getting are called the arbitrary constant. So let's take another example. D square y by dx square is equal to x. Now I need to find y. So first time when I integrate, I'm just writing without notations. So one derivative will go away. It will become x square by 2. A constant will come. When I make integrate again, this will become x cubed by 6. It will become C1. Okay, I'll show you. You might get confused. So I need to integrate this again. When I integrate this, it will become like this. When I integrate this, it will become a constant like this. And a new constant will come in. So y is 1 by 2 x cubed by 3 plus c1x plus 2 c2 equal to c2. This is a general solution of this differential equation. Now, I want to ask you how many arbitrary constants are present in the solution? How many arbitrary constants are present in the solution? Arbitrary constants are nothing but integral constants. Even if others answer, nothing will happen. If you unmute and just speak, you're not going to lose your energy. So, how many arbitrary constants are present? Two arbitrary constants are present. If there are two arbitrary constants, naturally the differential equation is order 2. Correct now? If I want to bring y from by integrating 2 times, naturally there will be differential equations order should be 2. Otherwise, we cannot have 2 arbitrary constants. Did you understand this point?
Yes,
or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
what are the things I talked to you? If I have a differential equation, if I want to find the solution, what should I do? What should I do? I must integrate. This is the first point I told you. Method of solving a differential equation is by integration. Second point I asked you, how can I know how many arbitrary constants are present in an equation, in a solution? What is the meaning of arbitrary constant? What is the short way of saying what is arbitrary constant?
Integration constant.
Integral constants. Integral constant obtained while integration. If you are having a differential equation of order 1, how many arbitrary constants you will have?
1.
1. If you have a differential equation of order 2, how many arbitrary constants you will have?
2.
Now I am going to converse it. Y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is a solution of nth order differential equation. How much is n?
2.
1.
How many arbitrary constants are present? A,
A.
B, C. There are 3 arbitrary constants. That means you have integrated 3 times to obtain y. To obtain y, if I have integrated 3 times, naturally the equation started with the third order. Do you agree with the statement? When you integrated once, it became dy by dx. D square y by dx square. When you integrated again, it became dy by dx. When you integrated again, it became y. So if there are 3 arbitrary constants, then the differential equation should be of order 3. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This is going to be a question in another MCQ. Looking at the number of arbitrary constants in a solution, you should be able to say what order differential equation is the equation whose solution is this. Clear? Everybody followed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, next class, I'm going to stop my class today. Next class, what I'm going to teach you is 2 things. How to solve a differential equation of order 1. Our syllabus don't have beyond that. But I can also teach you 2 if you require, but it's not near any of the syllabus, neither in JE. Second is, if solution is given to you, how will you find the differential equation? From the solution, how to obtain the differential equation. These are the 2 parts in this equation. This is deleted in your new syllabus, but I will teach you because you will come across JE, everywhere you will come across the problems. When you come across a problem, you will just wonder why, what is this? So I'm going to teach you this. I'm not going to delete. I have not deleted any topic from your syllabus, because if when board exam comes, we'll say this you don't study, this you don't study, but we are going to learn everything. Whatever the 12th standard syllabus is, what we are supposed to learn like the previous year students, that much you have to learn this year. I am teaching everything, because maths, what is useful to you, when it is useful, you will come to know only when you start learning further. So that time you should not say 12th standard mein delete ho gaya tha, isliye mujhe this part I don't know. So that should not happen. That's why I'm teaching you everything. At least you should have an idea, although you may not prepare those things for your board exam. Is it clear to you? So
Yes,
this
sir.
is going to be my next class. Okay. Actually, differential equations video is already there in this thing, but still I'll send my class notes on a regular basis, because